I need to focus on my breath and somehow make my breath sink in with the way the lion is breathing. Make my pulse feel like the pulse of the lion. So for 1 minute I was a prey, and then the next minute I was with it. I was the lion too. I have never been more in tune with the wild in me and the wild around me. And when I was in that moment, it was just pure magic. Everything that I do that is creative, I do it to facilitate conservation. I do the campaigns I do because I feel like things within me are dying when things outside are. There are parts of me that I have to save. If that means lending a visual voice, I have to do it. We operate in such an indulgent, self-oriented system. Wild always gets compromised. Wake up today and go out to any patch of wilderness you have in your life. Whether it is a sparrow or a pigeon or a tree, just spend a minute connecting to it. See you in that tree or that sparrow, or see that creature within you. And the minute you do that, there's something within you that will shift. You will wake up. Let the wild in.